Day one at Bennett. How you feeling?
Pretty good. Hi, Mom. Like a glove, baby, like a glove. It's your boy, ProFishMaster here. We are at the Bennett Springs State Park today. The water's running pretty low and clear today. Let's see if we can connect with some of these rainbow trout. Ooh, looks like Will's hooked up here. Okay, day two.
Trout Extravaganza.
Alright, shut up. Day two of the Bennett Springs trout fishing extravaganza. Day one, we didn't really film a whole lot because mostly being that I didn't actually catch any fish. The other three did, but I've been demoted now to the rank of junior fish master. I'm gonna see if I can earn my title back today of ProFishMaster. I'm gonna have to catch one though before I can do that, and we got a storm rolling in, unfortunately. It's probably gonna lightning. Unfortunately, we're gonna have to put the waterproof casings on the GoPro, so the audio is gonna be below average. But let's see what we can make happen today.
Below average like you're fishing.
Oh, thanks, man.
Grapes are good.
Gotta zoom all the way out. Alright, we here now. You ready?
Dude, I'm gonna outfish you.
Ready, bro?
I'm gonna outfish you.
Sure.
I outfished him yesterday.
Well, I didn't catch anything.
That's what I thought.
Not today.
Oh. Baby. Okay, I'll start up here. I got one. Oh no. Oh, it came off. Finally, caught one. Where'd it go? There it is, right there. Oh, it's a freaking big one, dude. Oh, wow. Look at the color on that, dude. Oh, it's so cool. Stop the flop. Ah, what happened? Oh, well.
You can go like right here. Nice. Grab. We got I did not have you want to like, oh, he's good. Nice.
Oh boy, oh, this is a big one. This is a big one. No, I didn't. Oh God! Is that really? It was right in the back. I don't know what you're talking about. That was a decent sized trout. What are you doing? Ah! He bit it though. Fishing in the rain, folks. Well, I'm putting on my jacket. Okay, you're the only independent variable left. Now we're gonna get swept away. Oh, that thing went so high out of the water. You see that? That trout. Good game. I caught a fish. Wes? Yeah, amateur. Amateur master. This is awkward. Do you have your laptop with you? Yeah. Oh. Are you serious? You spent all that.
Trying to break my legs. We're gonna fish this little thing. Oh, they're going for it. Here we go. I think I got the smallest one in the group.
Why are these fish being so stupid? Oh boy! Yep, this leader's too long. Yeah, finally we actually get netted one. Look at her. Oh, this one doesn't have a fin on it. Oh wow. Oh, that popped out real easy. Alright, we're just gonna let it go like this. Shh. Oh, you can go now. There it goes. Dude, look at this monster. It's a pretty decent one, dude. Woo! Oh, hey, okay, that works too. Oh, where'd he go? Oh, he took off. Oh, well. Well, I landed him technically. Oh, he's still on. He's still on. Dang. Nice feller. Look, I barely hooked him though. Nope, this net really kind of sucks actually. Alright, we're gonna let this dude go and go free. He just sits there. I'm waiting for somebody to yell at us to get out of the water. Yeah, that's them. Get the out of the water. What the? Damn, dude. Here, here, let's try it again. Whoa! That's a pretty good fish. That's a nice fish.
You want me to get it?
Yeah, here.
Okay.
Oh, just unhook it.
Stop. Just let me get the thing.
You wanna let it go in the beast mode or like with the underwater camera and all that? Dude, this freaking dryland thing is kicking ass. Just a dryer. Ready?
I made this like 2 years ago when I first started making flies.
Do you want this cool release or you just...
Yeah.
Let him go downstream. Come on, buddy. Oh, nope, don't go belly up on me. Come on. Oh, that's really cold. Oh, there he goes. And we're good. Fish. Fish are everywhere. That's a fish. Oh! Wasn't paying attention. I pulled a wheel. I wasn't paying attention. Come here, big boy. Oh, it came off. Oh no, you made me catch the tree. No, stop. You're undoing it then. Yeah, that's what I thought. Look at my mess and look at yours. What is this? I should break your line right in half, shouldn't I? Dang it.
He's dick jumping all over the place. I'm never leaving this place. I could have grabbed him. I could have walked over there like 5 minutes ago, but it's more fun if you let him fight. Pretty sure this is like the same one that he's like got his lip busted. Oh, this one does have a fly. Yeah.
Is it really?
You want it? Right. Yep. Nice little guy. There. Go back over there. It's always the same place where they hit. You have to get it like right up in it.
I shouldn't have walked towards you, but it's alright. Ready? Go, fishy, go! Go, fishy! He's not even going anywhere! he just sat there. Yeah, we got it.
Is this like every... God dang it, Wes! Wes!
Give me your other shoe.
I knew that was gonna happen. I literally called that.